Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and I have already half opened it. The other day when I was at MediaMarkt, the store in Sweden, to check out the Black Friday sales, I saw that on the iPhone aisle actually, or smartphone aisle, because I guess a Bluetooth speaker is a smartphone accessory. I saw that they had a bunch of JBL products on sale, and I started to think about this is the JBL Charge 3, I think, and I am quite happy with it. I've had it for, I think, 2 years or something, and I only use it in my bathtub when watching series, TV, and as I said, I'm quite happy with it. It's not enough. I would like it to be clearer in the sound. And sometimes I have brought it with me to the beach or to the park. Sometimes I have brought it with me when I go travel inside Sweden, when I'm at the hotel for a weekend. And the size is nice, and the sound for the size is nice. But since I have it mostly at home, I could use a bigger one. And the main reason why I bought this one is because the last waterproof Bluetooth speaker that I had wasn't so waterproof as it was supposed to be. This is really waterproof. It may look a bit weird at the moment because it is wet. It's still wet. I just took a bath. And this has been soaked in water at least 2 or 3 times every day for the last 2 years, and it works just fine. So I'm happy with it, as I said. It's just that it could be clearer and better. And when I have it on the bathtub rim, it's facing like this. And I've tried to have it a couple of times at the end of the bathtub, but then the sound, then I just get the bass and nothing else. So I just love to talk about why I buy things. So usually when we have a barbecue or something, all in the family have one of these. And I have 2 of them. And these are great. These are absolutely worth the money. This is the Armageddon Onyx 4, maybe 3, I think 4. And either way, the only difference between 3 or 4 is that you can connect, with the 3 you can connect 2, and with the 4 you can connect 100. And we all love this one. We have even had parties in a large room with 2 of these. And it's no complaints at all. So if you want to play loud with bass, this is just great. But it's not so carry friendly. Yeah, you have a handle, but it's not something that you will pack with you. And if you go into the beach or to the park and you have a lot of things with you, you don't want to carry this in your hand. But this is great. I can really recommend one of these. So to today's unboxing, I saw in the store that they had a bunch of JBL products on sale, and one of them was the JBL Xtreme 2. And what got me curious about that one was that it was slightly larger than the Charge, and it has the strap that you can carry it over your body. So I started Googling and checking, and I noticed that they were just about to release JBL Xtreme 3. So of course I wanted the latest products. These were not on sale, of course, since it's brand new. I think this is like one of the first in Sweden. So the price was 330 euros. The Xtreme 2 that was on sale was maybe half that price. but I don't care. I want the latest product. So let's see. This is the JBL Xtreme 3. It also works as a power bank, as all do. We have 15 hours of playtime. I think this also have 15 hours. And since I only use it not even an hour a day, this must have better battery time than 15 hours, because I really very rarely charge it. And this is IP67 waterproof and dustproof. So IP67 is really good. So let's see how the size is, because the pictures that I've seen, I think, are a bit misleading. Because in some pictures it looks just slightly bigger than the charge, and in some pictures it looks really big, like almost too big to take to the beach. But it looks okay in the size. I like these. In the package we have, this is probably a warranty card, instruction manual, yeah. And then we probably have the charger. What I like about this one is that you got a orange charger to it. I think that's super cool. Here we have a standard black one, USB-C. Yeah, good thing that is USB-C. The Charge 3 doesn't have that. What else? And this is the strap. Looks better than expected, actually. Because my thought with the strap is that I can hang this speaker in the shower pole. It sounds really dirty, shower pole, but I think that's the correct word. So I can hang it at the feet of my bathtub in the shower pole. So that's why I like the strap. It was available in camo, and I didn't think the camo looked any good. And there were a blue one. Can we see them here? But the blue one looked a bit boring in some pictures. This is nice, actually. It isn't heavy at all. I can probably give you the weight. Let me just Google it. We have 4 elements in the front and 2 base, one on each side. And yeah, I think I'm gonna like this one. I would like to demonstrate it for you outside. I don't know where I'm gonna do that in that case, but then it's going to be another video. So this is only going to be the unboxing. Sorry to say, I know that you hate when I don't demonstrate speakers for you, but it's it doesn't want to log in. It's 3 o'clock at night at the moment, so no, I'm not going to power it up for you. But this is the unboxing, so let me just check the weight. Yeah, about the blue one. The blue one looks almost gray. It's not ugly, it is not. If I had seen it live, I maybe should have chosen the blue one. But yeah, here we are, the black one. So weight. The weight is just under 2 kilos, and that is just over 4 pounds. So that is actually nothing. This must be like 4 kilos. So the weight is nice. Yeah, of course I'm gonna power it up. But I can't do an unboxing video without powering it and testing it. So be right back. It connected right away, very easy. I just remember that I have the microphone on, so I'm gonna
feel like we're in the caves of West Europe, man. See, sometimes
you don't need no hook.
gotta be
No
wise
hook.
Europe, man. See, sometimes
You don't need
This
no
song
hook.
has a lot of bass, and at the moment I'm missing a lot of bass actually.
I flash back who can make crime. Now it's time for the 7 sign. Yo, I draw the line. Spectacular, cardiovascular attacker. Jackson.
but that was only at a very low volume. But I'm gonna try the same low volume with the charge. Yeah, so this is the small one, same volume. I haven't changed anything on the phone.
But the hour you now has become stained, ice cold like the winter. Eskimo, enter the skin like a splinter. The decimal, let's have a festival. Wu-Tang Killer Bees when you intellectual styles break your mind.
And I actually think that the sound is similar. Of course, the big one wants to be played in, as every other speaker, but I'm not. The first impression is that I'm not impressed. So to get the same volume, I need to raise the volume on the phone. It feels like there is more bass or easier bass in the small one, in the Charge 3, but the sound is clearer in the big one. It is.
Like Craig Mack, life's a B and D and D. Refer to 99's Illmatic CD number 3 static.
But that's all I can do at 3 o'clock at night. So, as I said, this is just an unboxing, and I'm not super impressed so far. This one, I'm more impressed with it now, once again. I have always liked it. I've even bought it to a couple of people. But this one will do fine in the bathtub, in the bedroom. Yeah, if I'm gonna do a review outside, that would be another video. Let me know if you want to see that video. Then I would compare it to this one and this one. But the size is okay, the weight is absolutely okay, but so far I'm not super impressed. Thanks for watching. This is the JBL Xtreme 3 that I'm going to play in and then do another review. Yeah, because it needs to be played in. But the bass elements are very soft, so it shouldn't be needed to be played in. Thanks for watching. Good night.